Welcome to Thought Connect. Are you looking for ways to improve your relationships? If so, you might be interested in learning more about the Johari Window. The Johari Window is a model that shows self-awareness and communication through 4 quadrants. These represent what is known and unknown about ourselves and others. The Johari Window reflects our self-understanding and how we interact in relationships. It's a tool that can be incredibly helpful in building stronger connections with friends, family, or partners. So in this video, we'll explore 4 ways to apply the Johari Window to your relationships, making them more fulfilling and harmonious. Let's get into it. Number 1, self-disclosure. Imagine a window called the open quadrant. This is where you share your thoughts, feelings, experiences, and history with your loved ones. The more you open this window, the better others can see and understand you. So start sharing more about yourself with your loved ones. Tell them what's on your mind, what you're feeling, and your life experiences. It's like opening the curtains to your soul, and this builds trust and connection. Number 2, solicit feedback. Now, there's another window called the blind quadrant. This window shows things about you that others see, but that you might not be aware of. It's like the blind spot in your self-awareness. Ask your loved ones for feedback. Encourage them to tell you how they perceive your behavior, communication style, and actions. This helps you discover things you might not know about yourself and clears up misunderstandings. Number 3, mutual exploration. In the hidden quadrant, you keep things about yourself concealed. It's like a secret room. As your relationship deepens and trust grows, slowly reveal more about yourself. Share personal information, emotions, and experiences. This opens the door to that secret room, and as you both explore it together, your connection deepens. Number 4, improve communication. Lastly, there's the unknown quadrant. This represents things about you and your loved ones that neither of you knows yet. It's like an uncharted territory. Engage in new experiences, challenges, and adventures together. As you face these unknowns together, you'll learn more about each other, reducing the size of this quadrant. It's like mapping out a new world together. Applying the Johari Window to your relationships can be a transformative experience. By using these 4 strategies, you'll open up new channels of communication, strengthen trust, and deepen your connections with the people you care about. Remember, building meaningful relationships, it takes time and effort from both sides, but the results are well worth it. So go ahead and use the Johari Window to create more open, honest, and fulfilling relationships in your life. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today on Thought Connect. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly content. All right, well, take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you next time on Thought Connect.